What is up, family, and good morning to everybody. Go ahead and throw those A's in the chat right now. I would like to actually share something with you because I am having a little bit of trouble here in the live. And I noticed it just yesterday. I'm sorry, I noticed it just this morning. I know that, I actually downgraded the slow mode down to 3 seconds instead of 5 seconds so that we can get a little bit of a faster read. And, this is actually regarding, I know the screen isn't on, team. Hold on. I definitely know that it is not. But that is for a reason. So let me go ahead and share with you something here. Let me see if I can get it up. Okay, so I don't know if apparently there is some stuff happening during the live streams, right? Like, for example, here, Ace got cut off yesterday. And I want to actually share with you one quick thing, because as I was using my... Did they actually hack into my channel? Man, I hope not. That'd be terrible. So I want to share with you something else. Hey, what's up, Buzz? Good to see you here. Yeah, no, I know. Let's see. Another problem here is that my trading view. Yeah, another problem here is that my trading view is set, like it out of nowhere. It just actually went, it just went out, and I need to declare something here. All right, so I definitely need to do this in a quickie dicky. Okay, so yeah, hold on just a sec, team, and we'll get our analysis running. But talk to me, peeps. Talk to me. What is good? I see that there is a surge on FNGR moving up to 526. What is the deal there? Oh, everyone got the declaration? Really? What did you... that's crazy. Let's see. You did have to accept it this morning? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm noticing. Now, let me know if you're actually getting the tunes going. 495 pre-market on FNGR. Oh, okay, right. It was the it was the regression that we were talking about, right? Rosy gray glasses, nice. Oh, cool. Yeah, no, not legal advice. Actually, he mentioned yesterday he commented yesterday on the FNGR video, and he said that it may have been a bit unintelligible, and I told him I don't know if it's because of whatever is happening here, like the interruptions and stuff. I'm keeping an eye on my psychology, but I'm also keeping an eye on my call outs too. So I noticed yesterday that, well, I mean, for those of you who were watching me the whole time, I did notice that I missed one, but did I miss another? I noticed that I missed BTAI, right? I was under the impression that it could drop, but I didn't really catch another miss of mine. But if you do know, would you be able to share with me what that was so I can go over it? As I do go over when I miss. I promise you that. I really like to go over the mistakes. More so than the wins, right? But if you are familiar, please don't be afraid to share with me if you notice I missed one. I actually take that as completely constructive, and I really do. Okay, just a sec, team. Okay. Yeah, I think TradingView offers another. Yeah, I think they offer another version of their trading platform, and I think that platform is actually their top tier, and it's made for pros. Just one thing I do have to say. Oh my goodness, my son has a light fever, and I see him looking directly at the camera right now. It's so damn early. He actually started getting really hot last night, so I gave him his meds. Hey Kevin, good morning to you. Welby. Sebastian, what's up, buddy? Yeah, so I gave him his meds last night. He started feeling better and immediately fell asleep. So I don't while my wife is still here, I don't know if I should actually just get her to say something. Oh no. Are you kidding? Oh my goodness. Every single page is going to have to do this? All right, let me restart this now that I did that. Okay. Well, that felt okay. I mean, team, I'm loading. That was really fast. I'm loading, I don't know, 40 plus tabs full of indicators and stuff. That was pretty impressive. Okay, so it looks like it's doing much better. Okay, Explorer. Well, that's literally what I just did. Perfect. Thank you. Yeah, let me go back to that. Okay, cool. Yeah, this was the one of the ones that you were talking about, right, Explorer? One of the trend lines. I mean, in this case, I was explaining the back-to-back pennants for FNGR. Thank you, Sam. Will do. US1. What's up, buddy? How high did this reach already? It got rejected at 525. Wow. Okay, let's find out. Oh, yes. Of course. Check that out. So definitely avoided the downside for the pennant or the bear flag. Came up and grabbed that hourly resistance on the linear channel. Oh my goodness. That went stupid high. Okay, well, it's shifting momentum towards an upside now. Let's look at the PXMD got halted on. It's running to the upside too. I hope he feels better too, Sam. That's he was really hot. Thank you, Steve. Appreciate you so much. That's right, team. Please make sure to go hit that like button. Did you notice that Daryl shared something with us? Check this out. See if we can zoom in like crazy here. This was just yesterday. Did anyone see this? Well, asserting short position prior to releasing that report. Wow. Incredible. I can't believe I didn't notice this yesterday. Oh, thanks, Daryl. Appreciate you. Guys, if you're noticing that there's a delay, for you to post a comment, that's on purpose, is to try to control the amount of spamming that there's been lately. I didn't catch the exact comment that Ace replied to, but apparently somebody said that or somebody compared his situation to mine, saying that I was experiencing a similar interruption or interference. Man, I hope he falls back to sleep. Hey, Barbara, good morning to you. Garbini, what is up? You know what? I'm curious to see it anyway. Let's see. Wow. So the ticker is up 174% on the day. Yesterday was that LIFW going up around 400% on the day. Is this another one? Yeah, Garbini, the float is only 401,000. This thing could get mangled around. Let's see. Let's check it out. Yeah, 300. Well, inconsistencies in data, but yeah, here it's showing around 327,000. With a 3 million market cap, that's yeah, that could get severely pushed around. Let's take a look at the broader markets and find out what's going on there. I mean, we're slightly up on the SPY right now, but we're at a critical resistance. Okay. Bi-hourly time frame actually closed underneath the mid band here. This candle. You know what? My broker's still lagging on my DAS trader. And what I ended up doing is just, I didn't know it was going to take this long, so I ended up just transferring some cash back into Webull for now. Not sure that I can actually trade it though, since I'm trying to do an all cash account, but I'm not sure if it just turned back into CDIO. Not sure if it actually turned back into margin after I after I put my money back in. Oh yeah, no, it's still cash. So CDIO. My goodness. Yeah, topside target was supposed to be around 56 cents. And it had a very similar target from the inverse. Actually, no. Hold on just a sec. I think we can figure out where the target is. It may be showing on a smaller time frame. Yeah, I think it is. All right, let's see. Are you in it, Sebastian? Are you in this? We're about to get this target. Let's see. Ooh. It was supposed to be 74.78. In fact, price action went up on this candle to a high of 77.50. Oh, hell yeah, dude. It is FOMO. So in this case, the next resistance from here is 95.60, 95.14. Yeah. I think it is there. Hold on. About 95.27 to about 99.81. That's a very tough resistance, seeing that since it's the dollar mark. Well, B. COSM, my brother. I was looking at it just yesterday. You know, I couldn't actually make the video yesterday for COSM, but I felt that this was going to happen. So this was our. Let me go ahead and kind of put it here like this, right? So this zone here that you're noticing, this was our range of support. It had a focus right down here at about 104 to about 105. And since we broke out of those, we came back to test this secondary resistance and then the primary support. So I'm wondering if this is actually the confirmation before a continuation. Off of the $1, yeah. I mean, it is the 1.618, right? We were here. I was mentioning this last week that this could be. There could be some fundamental something that could be leading the price action towards an upside. Last Tuesday, I think. Green Mountain, what is good? Oh, you know what? I just remembered on your name. Origin, YouTube buddy, what's up? Did you guys get your welcome packages for the ArcMastersCourse? Double X, what's up, buddy? My little guy is currently looking at me in the camera through the camera. Well, he's looking at the camera right now. He has high temperature, a light fever. Really hoping he goes back to bed. Green Mountain, Origin, you guys got it? Good. Reed, you got yours? Nice. Sasquatch, how you doing? It's already resisting from one of those tops, right? Be very careful. Let me see. Entirely played the downside. Did it play? Come on. Interesting. Holding resistance at the... Okay. Chad, you got yours too. Nice. Yeah, team, please. Day, you got it too. I think I may have missed one or two, and that would be the late entries. Yarline, good morning. I hope you got yours too. I think I sent yours out as well. ASRE, we'll take a look at that, double X. So COSM, one more time. Hold on. I'm going to take a look at SOUN right after that. Mike J, you got yours? Nice. I really did mean to send all of them out last night, but I may have missed one or two. You got yours too, Yarline? Nice. That's right, Off Grid Gorilla. That is right. Axelrod himself. Okay, I want to catch this thing. I want to see if there's any reason for this to... Oh, okay, you know what? We can see the hourly time frame linear regression channel. Hold on. Let's pull that up. I hate that my voice is like this, man. I feel that I lack authority. When my voice is on this slight rasp. Come on, you gonna load it? Okay. Ooh, man. See this, Buzz, do you see this hourly closure? I want to show you something. 11 minutes ago, we got this closure here. The red candle, you know, it opens at the top, right? This closed down here below the mid band. So that means that this play was technically supposed to be for the bears. But the next hourly candle opened up inside of this band here. Upside of the mid band. That's already incredibly sketchy to me. So now this is making me feel like it may want to come back and test the bottom side. EMA 20 on the 15 minute for FNGR support. That's a notable... I would do an EMA 21, but yes, that is a notable support. Oof, look at that, man. COSM completely working against the flow right now. SPY just got a little bit of a red push. And COSM got a little bit of a green push right under that. That is also the case for FNGR. There's a resistance coming up on FNGR at about 525. Again, that would be the top side of the mid band here. Okay, keep an eye on that. Now, as far as COSM, let's see. Your resistance level is going to be a little tough to get over that 111. But now the resistance is coming up to 111 to 113. We should come back down and validate that 111 before a continuation. It's just, daily tweezer top here. That would usually indicate a potential downside. I mean, the wick came down below this candle here. So that technically could have been it. Keep an eye on COSM, brother. Okay, but yeah, your resistance coming up is about 111. And then if we close this hourly candle above 111, look for your next resistance to be at about 113 to 114. Yeah, Buzz. Hourly time frame stochastics moving up. If I can tell you something, dude, do not FOMO into this one. I know you're pretty collected about your trades and stuff, but it's just, man. This one's a temperamental one. And I really do see this asset not so much as for the day trade, but more for the investment. And even at that, they need a lot of work to actually get their shareholder confidence back. Let's look at. We're gonna look at SOUN next. Give me 1 second, team. Hold on, just a sec. Just trying to see if I can jam myself with some electrolytes. Just a sec, team. Gal, I'm. Can you still hear me? I'm here. Okay, good. Yeah. Just trying to drink these electrolytes. I want to down this Gatorade. Hold on just a sec. But how are you? How's your situation out there? I guess I'm asking if it is if you're safe. Yeah, you gal. ¿Qué pasión, compita? Almost done. Almost done. Gal, I actually saw it last night around 3 in the morning. Did you? I didn't open it because I was leaving. I just sent out all of the welcome packages. Did you by chance? I'm sorry. Are you a master student of mine already? And I didn't send your package. I mentioned it a bit earlier that I missed about two, maybe one or two packages. All right. I think that's good enough. Cool. So, okay, Gal, I'll keep an eye on. Yeah, I figured I'd missed one or two. I'm gonna send yours out. And I think there's a Donald that I need to send it out to. We're gonna keep an eye on Tesla as well. Off-Grid Gorilla talking about some DRV calls. I need to take a look at that as well. Just a sec. I need to get in touch here with SOUN for Double X. Buzz, yeah, definitely a sector we should look into as well. And Katie Cat, thank you so much. I've never heard of that brand, so I'm gonna 1 gram of sugar. Yes, I will look into that. Thank you so much for that. Sam, would you mind? That would be amazing. Thank you so much. So let's pull the tools up here and try to get a quick analysis in for SOUN. Looking at this on a daily time frame, it looks incredibly powerful. We have a very convincing upside pivot on stochastics. We are expanding beyond the critical contraction zone. RSI with a huge upside pivot, bullish crossover on MACD, and incoming money. This is a falling wedge. I was wondering why we had the decline in volume. This is very likely experiencing a breakout as we speak. Very powerful. Okay. Let's get that first target in. Take a trend line from the top side of the resistance all the way to the bottom side. From the breakout candle, right? That would be the 2 days ago daily. That is suggesting a top side of 204. It has not gotten there yet, of course. Careful here because there are times where price action needs to come back to validate its support. And that would be a pretty sharp decline if it did, back to 168. We're going to have to practice some heavy discretion for that. Double X, what's your cost? Or have you even entered? But this is essentially suggesting a pretty powerful upside. Aiden, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Did you get some rest? 225 for the second target. And our last target would be right back here. $275. Yeah, but like I said, team, there's always a danger after we break out. I mean, this is a daily, it's very credible. This is a daily time frame falling wedge, absolutely powerful. Thank you, Sam. Swin, SWIN. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on it too. Let me see the 4-hour time frame in this. Let me see the 3-hour. It's corrective. Bi-hourly corrective. 30 minutes showing downside, but the hourly is still okay. So there is still an upside being presented here. I know we have a resistance at 193, but there is a chance. There is a chance here that price. Let me see. Yeah, there is a chance of price getting to 196. I'm not sure that I can make it all the way to 204. Hey John, how you doing? Good to see you here. You're coming at me from a different place now. Yamava. Is that an Indian resort? Check that out, team. I think there's a resistance at 196, so I'm just going to have to go ahead and note it as 196 to 204. If price action didn't already reach its topside resistance, it is very likely for it to find a heavy one there. Okay, eyes on that. FNGR at 503. This is what we spoke of yesterday. In case it does come back, that would be a 495 bottom. But didn't we already reach that today? I think somebody told me we did. We did. Well, I mean, I guess now it may require the daily to touch it too. Who knows? So Aiden's saying, yeah, I've been trying to catch some sleep from the tournament, but tomorrow you'll be an early bird. Okay. When are you going back home, my brother? $5 bottom on Fidelity. That's, yeah. Thank you, team, for, by the way, thank you for sharing. Yeah, team, thank you so much for sharing the targets that you were noticing yesterday after hours for FNGR, as Weeble was sitting at 520 while everything else was sitting at 505. Mumu, I saw that also had that 520 close post-market. Okay, let me see the 30-minute time frame here for Swin. I mean, very... Gal, I will have to warn you about something. If the push on the 30 minutes, if the upside push on the 30-minute candle, which is the one that we're on now, if this is not strong enough, this will start realizing, you know, your bearish formation here. See it now, right? My goodness, come on. What? Dude, are you serious? There we go. This is your regular old run-of-the-mill head and shoulders, right? So this would be your... Let me see the regression. Yeah, so failing $2.52. Price action can likely come down to 242, test 254, and then down. Your bottom side target would be this. Around 208 if this formation realizes. Your entry was $2. You are literally sitting 30% up. Gal, I know that this has this has risk. Let me continue seeing. Hold on. Okay, I think the 3-hour time frame is giving us a hint here. This. Yeah, I mean, see at 30% up, that's a freaking win. Whoa, that means that Cryptic, somebody just said Rosie Gray Glasses is saying that there's a spy rip. Careful on the Tesla call for the downside. Hold it. What I mean is be careful, because this thing may want to come back and test that SMA 200 at 219. Be very careful. So that means that our entry may actually be 219. But we can get closer, but it's just... Yeah, hold it down. Steve, it's down to 496. Gal, I think that, it's scaring me that we're contracting, meaning that it's less shares being traded. Stochastics on the 3-hour faced to the downside, resistance on the RSI, diminishing bull pressure on the MACD, and outgoing money. $2 from last Thursday. Okay. So let me let you in on something. Okay. So when you have that kind of average, when you have that kind of leverage, usually a day trader would set his or her stop loss at a relevant level. Okay, so in this case, I want to see if I can pull up for you, not the EMA 7, but the SMA 10. Hold on. Yeah. So the SMA 10, in relation to price action, sure, it's very close to this support. But if price action drops, your SMA 10 will also start pulling back down. So that means that if you still have all this space to get that SMA 10 support, that means that you would have to correlate this moving average to a lower candle. When you correlate this to a lower candle, you will notice here that this candle here, the opening of it, which is down here at about 249, this would be your invalidation zone after we got this massive upside. So we got a huge upside. Price action came and based right down here at about 249. Then it started continuing on a run to the upside. This green candle here completely failed at breaking the next top. So this is already indicating weakness in the market. It's a break of market structure. Okay? At this point here at 249, a lot of day traders put their stop losses slightly below that, just in case price action ends up failing. But do know that you are essentially gambling the fact that there could be a 3.5% to 4% move to the bottom side. But that's usually how I trade. I personally trade with a stop loss that's 3.5% to around 5.5%. Right? So I want to make sure that this is something that you are willing to do for yourself as a trader. But it's a risk parameter. Right? Next thing you want to do, go to the daily time frame. If you have TradingView, pop up your stock screener. Make sure to zero out all parameters. Type in your ticker here. SWIN has an average true range of 18 cents. See that? That means that it has an average true range of 18 cents, possibility up or down. From the opening of the candle today on the daily, which is at a opening right up here, OHLC, open, high, low, close, looks like it's 252, right? So 252 to the top side, what was the high on this? 260. So that's already looking like this asset has moved up from its 18 cent average true range. It has only moved up around 8 cents. Mark the 17 cent zone to the top side of that. Okay, so you're looking at what was the opening? 252. 10 cents would be 262. You have 15 cents at 267, right? 269 is your resistance. So you go ahead and mark off your 269 right up here, right? And then minus minus your 17 or 18 cents to the downside. In this case, it would be 270 or 269 or 270, right? One of those two. Which honestly would be, let's see if it's correlated here. Perfect. This candle here is suggesting 270. That is your 18 cent average true range. Right to the resistance of this candle here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put this in. Hold on, team. Oh my goodness. No, don't wake up. No. Okay, he's good. All right, so yeah, and inversely to 234 would be your your inverse support, right? So just in case, price action may come down to there. So this would be your range in here, okay? I'm surprised that this is even going up at the present moment because this is one huge daily shooting star. This is suggesting a massive downside. Now with a shorter time frame, head and shoulders, that's not looking the best. Okay, so in my perspective here, I don't like what it's doing. Don't let me influence you one bit, but I would have already taken. A 30% gainer is stupid good. Stupid good. CDIO took off? No way. Again? Beyond the resistance points of $1 and 99.81. Jeez. Why did it do this? Is there really no reason for this? I mean, it has done these parabolic runs before. I hope that's not the case this time around, team. I couldn't touch. I mean, I'm going to tell you the truth. I couldn't touch this with a 10-foot pole. Off-grid gorilla could be. It definitely could be. Let's take a look at Tesla real quick, team. Just a sec. Oh, yeah. We need to take a look at DRV and Tesla. Cryptic, I'm not sure if you're in, buddy, but are you killing it or what? Let's see. You're still in it? Let me see this. What's your cost basis, brother? No, what's your stop? Oh, I guess you're getting very close. You got it at 220. Okay, it's a tight stop. I mean, 5-minute time frame was EMA 7 resistance at 217.01. If that fails, we definitely have a 217.44 EMA 21 resistance. On the damn, you are slightly below the SMA 200 at a dude, I don't think that you would hit it. I mean, maybe. Ooh, that would be a 10-cent offset. That's crazy. The real Ace Wang, what is up? That is a very, I mean, this could move up slightly here. Man, let's see. Let me dive in a little deeper. You did, bro? Okay, that's good. It is looking okay. It's looking weak. I mean, huge downside in the opening. It's already breaking market structure in the hourly time frame. This is a bit far away, but there is a potential here for the Tesla bi-hourly time frame. In an hour and 20 minutes, this will close a bearish engulfing. And this candle is representative of weakness. Bro, I think this can... Hold on. Very, very weird. Yeah, let me show you this. Gonna go back into the hourly time frame on this side. Okay, so hourly time frame bearish crossover beneath the RSI SMA 14, right? Getting close to the gravitational zone down here. That matches this. See it? So let's draw it in. Let me see if I can take it from here. This thing is very close to falling off a freaking cliff. That's going to be a massive drop, brother. 203.83. Damn it, man. Stupid money. How much is this? Buy like 3 shares? Do you mean a bear trap or a bull trap? Because yeah, I think the bull trap was here. In fact, it was the breaking the 219.72. Jumping into this 221.02, which is this hourly gap, giving a huge fake out. Bulls thinking that they could actually get this gap covered. TSL, I think the real ace sign. Which one is it, Cryptic? What was the ETF? Yeah, I think it was a TSLL. I think. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, that's extreme weakness. Let me see. Gee. Whoa. Resistance is coming up. It may actually, I mean, let me see. Oh, yeah. This still has a chance to 16 minutes left. This still has a chance to get up to around 437.34. 437.37. 437.37. If it closes beneath that, this could be a short play. Volatility on Tesla is increasing. I do believe this thing can fall off a cliff, you guys. Let me see this. I mean, we are getting a slight increase in bear volume. I mean, honestly, the key entry here would, I mean, for those of you who are not in on this yet, yeah, I think the key entry would actually be below 215.57. And to be real with you, I would love for a price action to break beneath this inflection here of 215.04. Because breaking this 215.04, that would introduce 213.76, and then price action can start sliding down to around 212. Guys, this is not looking good for Tesla. Oh, I hate not having my freaking things ready. How far are we from the close of the 4 hour? An hour. Jeez. There are some plays in line here, team. There are plays coming in line. Bounce right off of that 496 again. Well, 495 was the initial. On FNGR, that is. Okay, yeah, I think as far as Tesla is concerned, $13 and 18 seconds left to close this hourly candle. Really? Is this the only one? Oh my goodness. Since I don't have my damn tools to trade this, or the SPY, yeah, here you go. I think it may want to reach this top side here, team, of around 437.38. 12 minutes and 29 seconds to close. This can technically be an SQQQ long. Hold on. Let me see the SPY. Oof. This is looking very, very bearish, but also critically oversold. What would be the equivalence there? I think the SQQQ could be a long play. Oof. Yeah, this thing may be experiencing its entry soon. 1804. Let me see. 1804 to about 1794. That could be a potential entry for this asset. Careful, that's very dangerous though, okay? We're at resistance. We're almost at resistance on the SPY, which could be puts there, but I cannot play. I seriously cannot play any options right now as I don't have settled cash. Which is why oh man, this thing getting very close. 437.37 could be the resistance here. Not a problem, my brother. It feels like this, guys. 10 minutes left. Usually front runs start to happen around here, so there's gonna be some support grabs. But there is a potential to where this can open. Yeah, I mean, in 9 minutes, if this closes still within this, I would expect price action to come back down. Or still continue to the downside here to 1794. But it's inching towards that 1804 target. It's already at 1808. Oof. I want to see if I can play it. I want to see if I can catch. Let me see the SPY. Oh my goodness, it's critically there. It's $437.31. Wow. Yeah, this is what I was talking about some people maybe trying to front run the long and the put from between the SQQQ and the SPY. I'm gonna set a very, very minimal entry right at 1804. Minimal because I want it to go lower. I may not catch it, but it's okay. 498 on FNGR. Thanks, Welby. Bouncing off of that support. It really is trying to validate it. If we can confirm it, that would be the best thing that can happen. Oof with this thing, man. Two. Damn. Okay, I got minimal entry here, but remember that I'm still waiting for, I got very minimal entry, but I'm still waiting for the 1795 or the 1794 if it can reach there. 6 minutes to close. 1822 could be the spot. Okay. Okay, you guys, I have my entry here. Barely scooched on by. My goodness. Okay, let's see if we can catch that 1795. That'd be the most ideal situation here. Yeah, I want to catch this over here so I can complete. I've only gone in about 12% allowable position. So it's very, very small. Four minutes and 12 seconds left to close this hourly candle. So the SPY also hit it. Huge pullback from it. I mean, that thing dropped immediately like 20 cents. Charlie, how you doing, brother? Yeah, I would definitely have to take a look at that in just a bit. Man, really wish I was playing the options on this. But it's okay, just playing live shares. It's all good. Since I'm over here still waiting on a damn word to get my DAS trader up and running. I'm just over here sitting 0.20% up. Sitting at I mean it's very it's green, but I don't want to be green here, right? Yeah, I mean damn it, it's okay. Damn it. 0.22% up. Really want this thing to drop, man, but it's okay if it doesn't. And please remember, team, that SQQQ is the inverse Ultra Pro Short ETF. This is a triple levered pro shares, okay? So that means 3 times the price, okay? So that means 3 times the loss and the win. So please be very careful while trading these trades here. It's good for you to train on paper trading for these. But I'm currently just still sitting, team, at a 0.17% up. And the closure is coming in 1 minute and 8 seconds. Maybe the closure can introduce the further downside here. That'd be great. I don't know if I answered this, but Rosy Gray Glasses, I agree with what you said about the bottom side for FNGR. Never doubt the possibility of it coming back down to slightly lower, of course. Remember the total range that I spoke of last night in last night's analysis? That would be 478 to 495, I think, with a focus at 492. That's still a possibility there. 14 seconds left to close, team. It's looking like it may want to come back down. And grab the support. I mean, I hope so. I hope it can grab the support down here. In this case, now the support will be located at about 1790. So let's put it down there. $17.89 to be exact. Oh my goodness, man. It almost seems impossible for it to actually run to the resistance up here. I guess I would just take the profits up there, but damn. I mean, how many times do you hear an influencer say, come on, come down. Come on, so we can go up. It's all good, team. It's always it's difficult to catch the very bottom, but it's all good. Yikes, just sitting at 0.20% up. 0.22. It really wants to beat that 1808. Oh, I see the resistance here. Tiny little candle right here. Also, this one. Where is it? Right here. That is 1808. Price keeps on resisting right here. And at this point here. Tesla feels, let's see. Oh, yeah, dude. I don't trust the bull thesis here on Tesla whatsoever, team. Immediate support coming up at about 215.84 for Tesla. Oh, man, this thing is moving up. I'm sitting at 0.30% up now on SQQQ. So basically what I'm saying here, team, is that if NASDAQ, if the NDX and the SPX are going down, yeah, sitting at 0.33 up. Yeah, if the SPX or the NDX, the broader markets, if they're going down, the SQQQ is the inverse play of it. This goes up. So if you feel reluctant to short, there are ways to long the market to bet against it. 486. What was my support again? What was my range? 478 to 492, I think. Okay, so yeah, now breaking into the 1810 would then convert, well, supposedly, would then convert the 1808 into a support before continuing. So let's see if it can catch it. Resistance, Tesla, 217.02, 217.33. I really would love for this to come down. Damn it. Let's see. So here was the fake out, right? Looks like the target may want to come true at 480. Let's see. Let's go to the 5 minute. Nothing there. 4 minute. Nada. 3 minute, nothing. The 5 minute showing nothing. Nothing on the 1 minute. Hold on. It may be a little early, but your feelings are dead on. Conditions have not been met quite yet. Not catching them. Yeah, team. No, not catching it just yet. SQQQ coming back down to 1807. Keep an eye on that one, team. So Origin also confirming that there is nothing on his composure algo either. If we get that switcheroo, I don't think that price action would continue downward. It always can, right? But that switcheroo may actually switch price action entirely around. Okay, Tesla, what the hell are you doing? Let's see. Cryptic, I have a resistance coming up on the EMA 21 hourly time frame at about 218.31. Let me see the 30 minute. 30-minute time frame SMA 10 feels like it could be the resistance, but it also has the EMA 21 at 218.03. This is such a choppy ride for the short, but you're still in the money. Oof. I think the hourly EMA 21 could be the one. The 218.30, it looks like 33 now. Switching slightly to 218.35 as the price action rises. It's catching the resistance. It's validating the resistance on the hourly. Let's see what's up. No, you did? You got stopped out with a green, though. Ah, damn it. Well, I guess the play is now going to have to be after lunch. So, yeah. Nothing wrong with getting stopped out with a profit. I mean, dude, this is obviously better that you did. Okay, good, bro. I mean, your conditions and your strategy was proven correct. I think there's nothing better that you could have done for yourself. I think that was excellent, bro. Executed great. I wouldn't have done it different myself. Nice. SQQQ inching at coming back down. I really hope it does. But I'm still in the green. Yeah. Come on, do it. I really want to see this thing drop here. The hourly time, let's see. It's at 50 minutes and 45 seconds. I just wanted to have enough thrust to get through the 1801 so that I can continue down here to maybe 1789. Oh, man. I'm just breaking green and breaking slightly red. Off-grid gorilla, you can actually set those on your fidelity. It's called a trailing stop loss. You can set it at, I'm sure you know that, right? By percentage or by dollar value. Never give back. That is 100% right, team. DRV. Brother, are you in the money? I trust that you are. Yeah, I don't either, but I wonder if that's what Off-Grid Gorilla was inching towards. Oh, you were, brother? Once you get, if you ever, I know, look, Off-Grid Gorilla was actually talking to me about potentially getting into DAS Trader. Brother, when you have a direct access order routing platform, you don't need to run trailing stops. You have the speed to trigger manually at whatever point you want. So you really would have to work on the, I guess personally speaking, me, right? So I would really have to work on my discretion and manual stop. That's temporary, Cryptic. That's why I was saying to come back into it, I guess, after lunch, because I think that this may want to get that SMA 50 at 219.03, maybe even get the top side of 220 right around your initial stop loss before you got your profits. So this could be the entry after lunch, maybe, in a couple hours. And freaking ridiculous me still sitting in the green on SQQQ. So for DRV, I guess the only thing I'm not liking is that there is a decline in volume on the hourly time frame. Oh, hold on. Not the best time frame in the world to practice this in, but 5 minute time frame pennant. There's a bull pennant printing right now. This could be the breakout here. Resistance could be coming up at 57.87. Let's see your targets. Let's say that we were to break out officially and close upside of the support zone on the next candle. That would introduce 58.44. Bullish crossover, 5 minute time frame RSI. You're looking at a top side of around 58.95. The 15 minute and the 5 minute. $58.95. Okay, here's an area where I would start to keep some discretion. Yeah, definitely 58.95. Let's see if we can focus it. So 58.17 to 58.95. Let me get you Hold on. Oh, yeah. I have a focus range. Yeah, I think this would have to be it right here. 58.50 to 58.43 focus. All of the moving averages are now below, except for these, of course. Are you going to hold this overnight off grid? Yeah, I agree, Cryptic. I totally agree. I think there could be a bear play later on, right? We got to get that 219.01 resistance first. Support back at the EMA 21 around 218.33. Make our run up all the way to the mid 220s, and then try to see if we can get that potential entry in a couple hours. Let me see. Let's see what FNGR is doing. 495 FNGR. Okay. As far as this is concerned, look at this. We already got one of the zones that we spoke of. 487 to 478. That focus at 483 was something, but we got a low of 485. The trick here, team, is to make sure that we can reacquire the regression inside. All right, my little guy's finally asleep. My goodness. Let me come down to smaller time frames here. Let me see this on a 30-second. Let's see what the 3-minute is saying. Okay. All right, team. Hold on, team. Hold on. Apologies, team. I'm still dealing with some of that little spam artist. The scam artist. It's quite annoying, I must admit. Man. It's like a pest. It's like a bug that keeps on bugging. My goodness in heaven. Bob, you could be right. It's possible. Yeah, there we go. Really hoping to get this downside here further than 18. Yeah, lots of annoying activity happening online. Let's take a look. Hourly time frame, that's a tweezer top. $22 minutes and 49 seconds to close this candle here. It's just going into lunchtime, not the best time to trade ever. The Tesla getting up above the SMA 50, perfect. Yeah, so this is still heading on to that direction that we spoke of, right? Potentially back up to the area of around 220.41-ish to catch that resistance there. Let's do it. All right, cool. It just broke beneath that $18 at $17.99 now. Nice. Let's see. Man, yeah, I really wanted to catch down there. I want to get an official entry on this, not some little tiny piece. Now, FNGR, where is it? 496 is still lingering at that support. I guess the good thing here is that we reacquired the inside of the regression. Always a good thing. Mark Roach, what is up, buddy? Good to see you here. Yeah, Tesla inching to get that top side. The resistance at that Gaussian band, 220.30 to 220.40, right around there. Come on. So Mark Roach, I want to get an entry on the SQQQ, potentially somewhere down to the area of 1790. Breaking all kinds of silly rules here, as I do believe that the SPY is set to make a pullback. Because that is a frothy SPY. And that pullback would be a short-term play here to come back down. To come back down an entire dollar to validate support here. That dollar move, that entire drop, is what I'm looking for as a long for the SQQQ. As this could probably make a move from 1789 all the way up to 1820, right around there. And that would be cool. Oh, man, it's still lingering. Let's see. Hold on, team. So ASRE is still holding that 3190. One day and 5 hours to close this 5-day candle. And we're knocking at the resistance here of this channel. That feels okay. And if you didn't catch last night's thread of analysis, I am thinking that we're in a pennant. And this bull pennant does have some upside targets for us to look at. Oh, nice. We did get the downside that we look for. Perfect. Okay. 148 on that. Nice. CLMV moving up? Nah. Nothing there. And here is that reason. This was the damn chart here. This would be the reason here to find that position short on the SPY. See if we, I mean, that would be incredible. If we can actually get up to that area there, that would be stupid good. And 17 minutes to close this 4 hour. Wow. And then, I'm sorry, who mentioned, let's see, who Rosy Gray Glasses, this could be the double top here. At 438.64 on the 4 hour maybe? Was that what you're talking about? Yeah, 438. 438.64 looks to be the top side. Ian Tucker. Yeah, I feel like this could be the spot here. I mean, it is inching towards it. Slowly but surely. Oh, man, how close are we to this close again? 16 minutes and 27 seconds left still. Where is it? 496 FNGR still holding there. Oh, nice. That 17.99 to 18 still bouncing there. It would be a lot easier in 15 minutes and 34 seconds if this candle closes beneath the wick low of the prior bar. It's already broken beneath it, so that's good. Welby, to be honest with you, I am not the biggest fan of it. You know, kind of like what I spoke about in yesterday's video that I'm not sure if it was in the live where I said that I was not really content with it. Jeez, man. 493, slight drop here. Yeah, man, it's just that I still think that this would be, man, yeah, the 478 is just screaming there, right? It's, I can't tell if it's going to hit it. This is just definitely sentiment based. I keep missing it by a penny. Nice. Ah, dude. Ah, dude. Not even the 1795 I could get. Before the thing is just ripping bullish. Jeez. Let's see here. Let's see. Yeah, that's looking. Oh my goodness, the volatility is increasing like crazy. I'm very curious. I'm very curious over this price though, because of what's happening here on the SPY, right? 12 minutes to close. So my entry here was 1804. It's at 1811. Whoa. $18.16. Man, if I would have had my options contracts there, I'd be super in the money. Huge knife on the SPY. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, man. I really do think it could. I really do think it could drop. Yeah, get 11 minutes and 40 seconds. People are starting to front run that short. It literally got the hourly resistance there. This one. Let me see if I can see it on the other side. This one, 437.37. Price action came up to 437.51. Not bad. But that drop on the SPY, that would make the SQQQ take off. Charlie, PBLA finally popped. That's interesting as the markets are coming down. I definitely have exposure here on the SQQQ. Entry at 1804. Tesla drop getting front run. It didn't quite meet the 220. I have to say that it doesn't even have the support of the broader markets or the sympathy. The entire market knifed at the exact same time. That's yeah. When the broader markets like the indices, the major indices drop, or a mega cap like Meta or Apple or one of those drop immediately, they would pressure they would pressure everything down all at once too. Damn, dude. This thing is almost down 2 whole points from that 219.71. But it's... Oh my goodness, dude. The markets are getting crazy. You're in? What I'm afraid of here is that we're probably... I'm wondering if we're switching bullish. But it's just the SPY doesn't suggest that here. And the 4-hour time frame, look at this. Dude, what the hell? Yeah, dude, specifically that 6-hour. That's... Oh, okay, guys, hold on just a moment. Yeah, I'm not really sure if we're actually flipping bullish or not here. The only reason I think that we would close bearish is because of the 4-hour closing beneath this resistance, right? So that's the only reason I'm feeling that it could be bearish. Ah, dude. Let me see. Hold on. Let me catch the SPY again. Let me see Tesla. Dude, I hate being in the middle of the regression band. Like that. I mean, we have like indecision candles here too. The bi-hourly time frame is showing me resistances though. But I mean, but still, the hourly still has this head and shoulders here that still hasn't been realized. Are you noticing anything? Are you noticing anything weird, Cryptic? 4 minutes left on the hourly time frame. This, I mean, dude, this is such a weird read for me. Guys, I really hate to do this, but I think I'm going to remove risk. I don't think I'm going to break my rule. I don't think I'm going to trade the lunchtime. Ah, man. Let's see. Yeah, I feel, man, I don't know what I feel, to tell you the truth. It's just that lunchtime. Yeah, man. Man, it does feel like it, bro. The only thing is that I don't want, we're potentially putting risk in there that could be, I mean, we could go into the negative like real easy. Oh my goodness, man. Okay. Yeah, team. No joke. I just removed the risk at not even a percent up. It's green still, but yeah, I feel like I can't. I'm not gonna put risk here when I can't tell what direction the asset is gonna go in. I feel like the asset is still gonna go down, right? Even with Tesla and SPY. I still feel like the downside is more probable. It's just that I don't know what they're going to do during lunchtime. Oh, nice. Katie Cat killed it. You ended up removing when I removed two? I think so, bro. I think it would be better for us to wait after. Rosie Gray Glasses, they are going to eat lunch during lunchtime. Nice. Nice, Katie Cat. Oh, sure. I mean, believe me when I say that, me too. That would be the this one, right? Wait, oh, you broke even? Dude, it's the best thing that could happen. I mean, obviously the win is the best thing that can happen, but but if you it's funny how you put it, right? Dude, it takes a lot of skill to not go red. Super amount of skill. Yeah, the DRV is feeling like it wants to capitulate. SQQQ going slightly back up. I took profit around there, you know? That closure, that closure just happened. It's now lunchtime. If you are short the SPY, be very careful at 436.47 to 436.31. Cryptic, dude, 100%. $436.45. Careful with that. Careful with those targets there, right? 436.27 is the other support here. Yeah, no, guys, definitely do not do what Cryptic said just now. Do that. Do not go short on SPY options during lunch. Do not do that. It's just, guys, this is the time to contract. Low volatility. Rosy gray glasses. Powell speaks tomorrow. Oh, we spoke about that yesterday, huh? That's so annoying. Damn it with the monetary policy. Yeah, the easier trade is going to be after, team. There's going to be expansion. Capitulation and expansion. Ian Tucker, you're in the green? Yeah. Yeah, where is FNGR? Look at that thing just getting stuck right there. Freaking SPY. And Tesla making its run up again. My goodness. Man, there's no telling what is about to happen during this hour. Oh, yeah, I really can't even pretend. Magical times here. Bro, I think, hold on. I think I'm gonna, I actually have to get into on a phone call with the authorities. As I have to report harassment and abuse and stop spamming me. All right. So, and also I should try to do that before my son wakes up. But team, yeah, let's go. Let's Cryptic, talk to me on Discord, buddy. I love you, man. Yeah, it could be that where FNGR makes that upside now. $4.99, about to break that $5. Lauren, is Lauren still stalking me? We're gonna find out soon enough. All right, guys. Yeah, apologies for cutting it a little bit earlier today, team. Definitely need some time so I can solidify some crappy craps. All right, team. Really appreciate it. Please get in touch with me if any questions or concerns. But yeah, let's close it off right here, team, and we will continue onwards and upwards mañana. Katie Cat, what you mean pay tomorrow? We should host a celebrity boxing match against a spammer. Ooh, dude, he doesn't want to. He doesn't wanna. I may go dirty. Green Mountain, I'll catch you later. Mark Roach, thank you for everything you do. Chad, I'm gonna catch you later, my dude. Oh, for premium act. Oh, I think so. I have to double check YouTube still has to, they're in review to keep the spammers out. Yes. From having to release some crap. Yesterday they were talking about some Isabella. I don't even know who that is. But whoever that is, they're about to release some like AI generated naked pics of that person. I'm like, I don't know who that is. You probably shouldn't do that because that is not a real person. I don't know who that is. Just facts only is spamming. It's just facts only. We're about to just fax him out of here. Get the facts out of here. All right, you guys. Love you all. Thank you so much. Welby, I'm going to catch you soon. And Katie Cat, that's right. We're going to keep it cool. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never. Banhammer is coming down. That's right, Ian. I hope not, Cryptic. Do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. I'll catch you at the next one, team. Mañana. Adios. Yeah.